Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SashaWnNa, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the fastest way, one of the fastest ways to faux lock your hair using Marley Braid. So let's get right into this video. I'm gonna go ahead and pull all the braids. So I want to do about 50 locks, no more than that. So I'm gonna start from the back. I'm gonna put my hair into sections. Then I'll make a small part. And I'm gonna add my leave-in conditioner, just a little bit. Break that in. Go in with my small comb, just to comb that out. And I'm gonna go in with my beeswax from Ray's. It's black beeswax. Take a little bit of that. And I'm going to add it from the roots of my hair just to seal in the moisture when my hair is in that protective style. And then I'm gonna go ahead and plait that. And I'm plaiting it all the way down. Usually I don't, but I'm doing it this time just to give my ends a little bit more protection underneath the braids. I don't want it too knotted when I actually pull out the braids. So I'm plaiting it all the way down. I'm gonna go in with some more of the beeswax. I'm gonna add that to the end of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my hair. It is so shiny and moist. Like, I wouldn't wear this alone, but whew. So it has about 20 pieces on this pack. I bought about 3, so that should be able to do my hair. Since that's 60 pieces and I don't think I have 60 plaits here, so I should be, just for demonstration purposes, taking one piece of the hair along with my crochet needle. I'm gonna push my crochet needle inside. Okay. Take the hair and twist it, put it onto the hook, pull that off, and there we go. Alright, so in order to get the lock perfectly, we're going to have one side shorter than the other. The side that is longer is going to be used to wrap the shorter piece, which is this piece. So it's about here. So it's about this long, this short. Head and start wrapping the roots. Just so that we don't have any movement in the long run. We want to get as much hair close to the roots as possible so that it's not loose within 2 weeks, a week, and then we just wrap it all the way down. It's covering the hair. The beauty about this is that you're wrapping the Marley braid with the Marley braid, so you won't have anything showing. Basically, it will just be the hair. But yeah, so I just continue to wrap, ensure that I'm wrapping my own hair. I'm covering that up properly. Good thing about it is that my hair is 1B. It's not too dark, not too light, just in the middle. So it matches perfectly with the Marley braid. So I'm just wrapping that down. This side and this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this side upwards. Just wrap that up like this. With the other piece, and split that piece in half like this. want it. It's all up tightly. The hair up, then I'm just going to rub it. And this is our first lock. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back closer to the end. So we are halfway there, and I only used one pack of hair. As you can see, it's very thin, and this is exactly how I wanted it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest on camera. Then I'm gonna be using the same beeswax to kind of lay my edges. I think it's my first time using this stuff, and I'm absolutely in love. So this hairstyle is super fun, super easy. It took me about 3 to 4 hours, which would include the washing and the prepping and the plaits and the wrapping. So yeah, super easy. I honestly don't think you can get any easier than this, so you can do it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was very helpful, very informative, and I'm hoping that you actually try this style. Don't shy away from it. Just do it. You You can do it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so that you can stay updated whenever I upload a video. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.